Alright, today we'll be taking apart a BlackBerry 9650 Bold. I'm going to go kind of quick so I make my time, but I'll go over it real quick. We'll be using a T6 screwdriver. There's going to be 4 screws in the back and then 2 in the front. Alright, so now that we got the 4 out of the back, we're going to flip the phone over. You got to take this piece off. I use a cell phone prying tool or a guitar pick. So when you do this, there's going to be 2 plastic tabs, one here and one there. Kind of just want to... There's the first one. There we go. Comes right off. Nothing broke. 2 tabs are still there. There's some adhesive right here that can get bundled up when you're taking it off, and the adhesive is supposed to line up right along here. Okay, so now we'll take out these 2 front screws. It's pretty simple, it'll come right apart. It is hooked underneath here, so all you want to do is kind of pull down, and there we go. So there's that. Now this is now on this part on the PCB board, you're going to want to, I use a 2mm flathead. Take these 2 off. 2 connections. Be careful when you're doing this. Try to get underneath. I go back and forth and wiggle it up. Then there's a tab here. You just want to flip that up. Okay, now this will come up. I'm going to turn this, see if I can get it in there in the camera. There's 3 connections in this. There's one here, 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 and here. This one's to the screen, your LCD screen, and this one's to your trackball. The other one is to your keyboard. This one right here. So first we'll do the keyboard. trackpad, and LCD screen. Alright, so now you got your PCB board right here. So like I said, this one's to your LCD screen. I won't be showing you how to take out your LCD screen. We'll pop this out though. So to get this piece out, you just want to pull up on these tabs. I'm going to set this down and do it. Alright. So there you go. There's your trackpad, LCD, and the Mylar. If you're having keyboard issues, you're going to want to go ahead and replace that. So I'm going to show you how to take out your trackpad. Take your flathead, and there's going to be two connections, one, two, and then one on the other side. Just want to pop those out. There you go. A little metal housing is going to come off that holds the trackpad. Your trackpad comes right out. So I'll show you all the pieces real quick. There's your trackpad housing, PCB board, and of course your keyboard. So now we'll reassemble this. I'm going to go kind of fast because I'm running out of time. If you don't know where the pieces go, just rewind the video and put it together following the video. So there's the trackpad we put back in. Then we put the metal the metal housing. The two tabs go to the left side of the phone. Click right in there. So there we go. And then we're going to go ahead and put in the PCB board. Easiest way to do this, I'm actually going to face the phone towards me. So you can see. Easiest way to do this is just take this piece. This is your back piece. This is where your SIM card lines up, and your SIM card connections. You want to take this piece right here, face it towards you, and connect your keyboard. They should just click right in. Make sure they're lined up. The teeth are lined up right. You do not want to bend them. Then we'll do the trackpad. Now this piece right here to the LCD screen isn't very long, so what I do is just lay it down on there and firmly press down, and you'll hear it click. So we'll check and it's connected. You want to connect these. Remember to attach these to the white. There's a black one next to it. You'll see it. There's some black ones. You want to connect it to the white one. the wire back into the little brackets. Okay. Connect that. That is nylon. You just put it right back. Make sure it's lined up on the little tabs. Push them in there. Put the back piece back on. So when you put this on, you want to put it on at an angle. I find it easier to start off with the left side where the head jack's at. That's the problem. There we go. Just put the front screws in. Don't over tighten them. These little screws are easy to strip. All four back. You just make sure your adhesive's lined up. Clip that right back in. That is how you disassemble and reassemble a BlackBerry 9650 Bold. If you have any questions, just go ahead and message me.